This assessment asks us to predict the mechanism and the product for the following reaction. Alkenes are nucleophiles, so the alkene can act as a nucleophile and it can attack the hydrogen, the electrophile, on HBr. That builds up too much electron density around hydrogen, so the HBr bond will break, putting a lone pair of electrons on bromine. That will form a carbocation intermediate. Markovnikov's rule says the most stable carbocation intermediate that can form will form, and that will be this tertiary carbocation. The bond to the hydrogen will be with this carbon here, and we end up with Br- as a leaving group. The Br- can act as a nucleophile and can attack the positively charged carbocation to form a carbon-bromine bond in the last step of this mechanism, forming 1-bromo 1-methyl cyclohexane. There's no bromine there. This is an achiral product. This is the product and the mechanism for this reaction.